Hit the subscribe and like button if this video helps you out, and leave a comment. It's not starting. All right, 2013 F150, 98,000 miles. I've had it for 6 months. I just got back in from being out of town and tried to start it up, and this is what it's doing. It's not starting. So I did some research and I think it's a fuse. Fuse box for these are right in the front, which is kind of cool. And you just push these tabs forward and lift. This is the fuse that I know is bad because I can see that it's burnt. I already pulled it out a little bit. You can kind of see that. It's a 20 amp and it is fuse number 27. Here's the new fuse. Bought it at Ace, local hardware store. Had to buy the variety pack, which I'm not real keen on. I just needed one fuse. So let's see if we can pop that in there. It's popped in. Set the hood. Get back in the saddle here. It worked. $6.99 for a variety pack of fuses, and now my truck's running again. It's running. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. Also leave a comment. Thanks.